Hey everyone, it's Rochelle and welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another video and this is my last video for 2023. I will be seeing you guys in the next video in 2024, but I'll also be taking a little break from YouTube as well. You guys can drop me some ideas on what videos you want to see next on my channel, but in today's video I'm going to show you guys how I install this fabulous big voluminous hair. So if you guys want to see how I do this, then please continue to watch. The wig that I'm rocking in today's video, it is from Asteria hair. Now I have worn their wigs in the past, but they have made some changes. Now this is everything that you need. You have the edge brush, the melting band, the silk bag. This is what the wig looks like straight out the bag. So these are super tight, deep wave curls. Like they're super tight. Are you seeing the hairline though? It is pre-bleach, pre-plucked, clean hairline HD lace wig. This is the changes that I'm talking about because I have worn their wigs in the past, and I'll be honest with you, the wigs that I've worn in the past from this company, I would have to tweeze the hair myself to customize a hairline to get it to look good. But with this wig, I don't have to do anything whatsoever. It is tweezed to perfection and bleached to perfection. Now as you can see, I'm wearing my wig cap and I'm wearing an HD wig cap. One was provided for me, and I'm going to go ahead and add some foundation to the wig cap just so it matches my skin and I can hide my hair. So you do get 2 wig caps in the package. I forgot to mention that, and please excuse my voice, I'm just getting over a cold, so I might sound different to you guys. But yeah, now I'm going to go ahead and I'm just going to adjust the wig in the back just so it fits my head perfectly. It comes with adjustment straps. And are you seeing the hairline? This hairline looks really, really good, and it does not require a lot of work. Now, child, this is a lot of hair, okay? This is about 200 density. This is giving volume, and that's okay because I like curly hair when it's big and voluminous. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and take out some hair at the side and take out some hair at the front. I'm taking out these 2 little pieces and I'm just going to go ahead and yank that out because I want to create like a widow's peak, and I don't like when the hairline goes straight across. I like to get it to look more realistic to my hairline because I have a widow's peak. Now I'm going to go ahead and cut away the extra lace and cut 3 sections, and I'm going to go in with my sticky little secret lace glue. This one is by me, so I'm going to go ahead and apply the lace glue. And I'm only going to be doing 2 layers of glue, and I'm just going to go ahead and put that along my forehead area. You want to wait until it dries clear. Once it's dry clear, you can go ahead and pull down that lace and go in with the blow dryer on a cool setting just to melt down that lace glue. Now you can also apply the skin protector before applying the lace glue. This will give your glue a stronger hold as well, but I'll be honest, I forgot to apply that. And again, I waited for the glue to dry clear, and then I'm going to pull down the lace and just pull it down and start cutting away all that extra lace. So I'm cutting away a bit of the hair on the side because the hairline was pretty low on this wig, and I don't want the hairline to be so low on me because I don't really have a lot of forehead space. So it would look really weird if the hairline is going down too low on my face. So I'm just customizing the hairline for my liking and then cutting away all the extra lace in the front that I don't need. And again, I'm repeating the same steps on the other side. You guys can see how much hair I cut off. I don't like to cut off too much though because I don't want to mess with the areas that have been tweezed out already. So I'm just trying to make sure I just cut enough to make sure that it just suits my hairline, and then I add some glue to the edges just to glue that area down because it needed some more glue. So now that we have all the glue applied to the wig, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to do the double melt method. So I'm just applying the wig band, and I left this on for about 10 minutes. I know it looks super quick, but I did leave it on for 10 minutes. And now I'm going to go in with my sticky little secret melting spray, and this is just going to give my wig a seamless, flawless finish, and it's just going to have my lace looking like what lace? Never heard of her, because I don't want to see the lace when I wear my wigs. I want it to be seamless. And again, I went in with my blow dryer, and now I'm going to tie the wig band down and leave this on for about 10 to 15 minutes. And I'm back. My makeup is done, and I'm just going to go in with some hair mousse. And I don't really love a lot of baby hairs, but I do really like them on curly wigs, but I decided not to do tons of baby hairs. So I'm just going to go ahead and just brush the edges up and just flatten down the wig just a little bit. I didn't go in with my hot comb to make it super flat because it's curly hair. I wanted the volume. I wanted it to be big and fabulous. And I'm just going to add some mousse to the hair as well, because the front was looking a little bit frizzy because I was kind of combing and tugging on it before. But yeah, this is pretty much how it is looking. I'm living for the volume, and I'm living for the fact that this is pre-plucked, pre-bleach. I didn't have to do anything to it to make it look good. Now all the hair info will be listed in the description box down below. I really hope this video was helpful to you guys, and I hope you guys are enjoying your holidays. I'm about to take a break from YouTube, so I will be gone for quite some time. I'm not sure when I'll be back, but hopefully I'll be back very soon. Mama needs to take a little break. But yeah, I will see you guys in the new year, and I love you guys, and thank you so much for watching and supporting my channel. I appreciate everything. Thank you guys for supporting my brand as well. I love you guys. Thank you so much. Bye.